Alright. So first time, so hey, Creeper24465 here, and today I'm playing Catbird, a new mini rage game, mystic game I found. See, what did I say? Rage quitters should not play. That's my word of advice. Do not play this for rage quitters. I mean, there is no like ban or anything. I'm just saying, you get really mad from this. Like that. There's no way to counter enemies except throwing them in the milk. Which in here is super deadly. I'm gonna eat an Oreo. How odd. Go lost Oreo. Good. Now in the second world. And there we go. Catbird. The funnest game I've played yet. Alright. Oh. Well, this is a game review. Really fun. Pretty hard. It's a decent game. Now this.